Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today is a really short video just showing you guys some iPhone SE2 possible leaks and rumors. Let's get started. So the iPhone SE2 is rumored to be coming this year, and here are some quote unquote leaked images and videos of the iPhone SE2. Each one kind of looks a little different from each other, the video being very much like an iPhone 10 and then the photo being more like a traditional style SE but with a glass back and front. Now, in my opinion, I don't think that the SE2 will have a glass back due to the actual cost to manufacture and then also repair costs to the customer. It just wouldn't make sense to have a budget style phone with a glass back that could possibly break and be very expensive to fix. I do, however, think that the SE2 will have a lot of features that you are seeing in the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. Face ID, I don't think will be among one of those features added to the SE2 simply to keep the cost down, because that whole kind of row of cameras and detection on the iPhone 10 does cost quite a bit. Now, one thing I can say though is that I do think Apple will keep the headphone jack on this phone simply because they shouldn't be worried about space, as this really isn't a flagship device. So hopefully long live the headphone jack. Anyways guys, let me know your opinion in the comment section down below, and let me know if you think any of these rumored leaks are real or not, and what possible features we might be seeing on the iPhone SE2. So thank you all for watching this short video, and definitely don't forget to subscribe on your way out and also give the video a quick like. Stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next one.